Good morning, students. Welcome again to the IT class, IT video class. I hope all of you are well, all of you are safe at your home, and yes, all of you are preparing for your unit test exam. Today, last day I had told you about the email, no? So in email we have seen first thing what is email, then what are the different parts of email, and like prefix, then so prefix means what is the domain name and username, then what is the at the rate symbol, what is the function of that. So these things we have seen yesterday, last video class. And what are the advantages of email. So today I will tell you how will you create the email account, okay, and how to write the email, and some MCQs are there, but which one I will tell you. So just let's start. What's about the creating email account, okay. Okay, so writing an email, again we will discuss. That is how will you write a new email. For that, first you have to open any browser like Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, anyone, then type gmail.com. And when you will write the Gmail, suppose you have a already a Gmail account, then you have to click on the sign in button, okay. Then type your email ID and password and then click on the sign in button. So when you will click that, then your Gmail account will open. There you have to click on the compose button, okay. So when you will there are some parts are there like recipient means the person, or the this fields include the email address of the receiver to whom you have the send the email. So once you click the recipient file, the CC, BCC, to all these are activated, okay. So in two section, this will open a first thing when you will click on the compose. So new message window will open. Then you can write over the message. Suppose you want to give a greeting card or greeting message to any person, to any suppose maybe your sister, maybe your friend, maybe your parents, to whom you want to give. So you just write down the email address of that person in two section, and in CC you just write down the person address to whom you want to send the same message. So it may include more than one email address, okay. So here you can write the more than one email address. And BCC also, one option is there, one section is there, that is a blind carbon copy, and CC means carbon copy. So blind carbon copy, there also you can write more than you can write the address of the of more than one person. But the difference is कि CC field includes the email address of the person you want to involve indirectly in the email, okay. And all the persons to whom you have sent the message, they can see the other person's email message, okay. But in case of blind carbon copy, only the person can see their own message, they can't see the others message. Suppose you have sent the same message to three persons, so these three persons cannot see the message of each other, only they can see their own message, okay. So that is blind carbon copy. And in carbon copy, all the persons can see their and others messages, okay. Next one is subject section. This contains the main purpose of your email, in short. Message area, next thing, where the main body of your email, where you have to write the message, the greetings or message you have to write. And toolbar, it contains the icons which allow you to send, format, attach, insert photos, discard drafts, Okay, this draft means, you know, draft means suppose you have created the message but you have not sent, so that will be saved in draft, so afterwards that you can use, so that is draft. So after writing the message you have to click on the send button. So when you will click on the send, the mail will be sent to all the people whose email addresses you have given in the to and CC sections. So this type of box will come here. Send option is here. When you will click on the send, the message will go to those persons. This one is the attach button, okay, like a paperclip structure icon. So when you will click on this, it will open the file. So now you can browse your file, which file you want to attach here in your email. So that file you can, when you will click on that file, so beside this paper button icon, that file will, the name of that file will come. So when the file will come, you can click over there, so that file will attached in your email, and it will send. Now how will you manage the, here you can see compose. Inside the compose here, inbox. Inbox means the message which you have got, that message will be saved in this inbox. So there are different options are here. Now next one is managing folder. Here you can see inbox, that is emails that people have sent to you. Next one is sent folder, that is holds emails that you have sent to the people. Drafts folder hold all the email you have started writing but not yet sent. You have written but not sent. Junk or spam, that holds emails that may not be useful, okay, unnecessary, unuseful files or emails are stored over here in junk or spam. Trash, these things are very important, and from here the questions may come, so you read it properly. Okay, so the trash can or folder holds email. This one is also folder, trash folder, so which holds the email that no longer need and have deleted. So to delete an email, you select an email and then click on the delete button for it to be moved from inbox to trash folder. Okay, when you will delete any email, then it will move to the trash folder from the inbox. Okay, so this is about your trash folder. So it collects a copy of every email deleted by the user from inbox or any other folder. Okay, so there are some these terms, these folders which are used in emails. So a user can create a new folder and move received emails to it, and the user can also move, rename or delete an existing folder also. Okay, so that's all for today. You do all exercise of this chapter in your book, that is checkpoint. You can see true, false, then questions. Okay, so that things you do it. Next day we will do the next session, and I will give you some questions also from this chapter, and then we will start communication through emails. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.